Bonsoir. I'm Rick Barger, and I am the founder and the chair of the national leadership team, or chair of the board of the Haitian Ti Moun Foundation. And what's going on this week is our 5th annual Fête Bondye, God's Party by the Sea, that is held in this facility of Trinity House here near the sea, right here in Jacmel. Down here on the soccer field is some games going. Over here we can see the new facility of Wings for Hope being built. We can also see up here on the roof tents and other sleeping places where the team that has come here from HTF partnering congregations in Georgia, in Colorado, in Nebraska, in Arizona, and in Texas. And then my wife and I are here from Columbus, Ohio, where I have a post at Trinity Lutheran Seminary now. But this camp came out of the aftermath of the devastating earthquake in January of 2010. And if you would travel to this part of the world in the months following the earthquake, not only could you see the devastation of buildings, rubble laying everywhere, but there was the devastation of hope. And poor children in this community were beginning to wonder, do we have a future? In a place like Haiti, where it seemingly had begun to make some progress, the earthquake just slammed it. And so we came with the idea to start this camp for children who go to L'École Sainte Trinité, for our children who were in the Tech Collé program, for children at extreme risk here in this area, street children, for children who belong to PASAPA, who some are deaf, others are disabled in some way, and other children from the surrounding community, from the mountains of La Montagne to the village of Jacmel. They all come here. We have 300 and something children in camp. And our purpose is to just fill them up with some life skills, but most of all to just let them know that we will never forget them, that we always have their backs, that there are people in the United States who come here frequently who will always remember them, always look after their best interest, and are part of this HTF mission, which is to provide hope, sustainability with dignity for the people of Haiti, so that all might have life.